Hello, and welcome to the 5th video in this tutorial series on Mountains, Digital Surf's industry standard software for profiler and microscope data analysis. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Mountains document and learn how to customize it. In Mountains, the document refers to the pages which you can generate and edit studies on. A document can have several pages, and several documents can be displayed simultaneously in tabs. You can open a document by going to File and Open a Document. You may save a document or export it in PDF or RTF format or as an image. Any document may be saved as a template and reapplied to other studiables at any time. This is very useful for processing large batches of data. Simply save the document as an MNT file, then go to File, Apply a Template, then select the document and the studiables you'd like to use. Options for customizing the document can be found in the Edit tab at the top of the interface. In the Page Format section, you can choose page size. Select Portrait or Landscape format and set page margins. You can customize a page with elements such as a title, a logo, or other illustrations. Let's create a page header using the Color Background tool. I can choose the size and position of this frame as well as its color. I can add page numbers and choose their format as well as font size and color. I can also insert my company logo. If these elements should appear on all pages of your document, switch to Page Background and add the desired elements. You can save page backgrounds as files and reuse them on other documents. To come back to my document, I click on Close Page Background, and the background I created is applied to the other pages in my document. To load a pre-existing background, just click on Change in the Edit tab. You can also define a default background to be applied to any new document. Many other elements are available for insertion into the document, such as different types of text boxes, hyperlinks and buttons, images and geometric shapes, date and user information. If you'd like to learn more about Mountains, check out the next tutorial in this series.